Steer Tires in Springfield, Massachusetts. What you should know before you buy. Today's machine operators want skid steer tires that are built for their specific application. Skid steer loaders have become one of the hardest working pieces of equipment in the industry. With the tough environment and extreme weather conditions in Springfield, demands on these machines to perform on all types of surfaces and conditions continues to increase. You need skid steer tires that can meet your expectations. At Ken Jones Tires, we stock good, better, and best choices to meet your needs and your budget. We offer the best brands and tread designs to improve machine performance and reduce your cost per hour. Skid steer tires can basically be broken down into a few different categories: hard surface, severe service, heavy duty, and standard duty. Hard surface skid steer tires are designed for extended wear on surfaces such as concrete and pavement. Severe service skid steer tires are designed with super deep treads and perform well on extreme job sites such as rock, gravel, demolition, scrapyards, and glass plants. Heavy-duty skid steer tires are premium tires that have a rim guard and an extra thick sidewall to protect against rim damage and sidewall punctures and tears. They are used for general construction, skid loader rentals, snow removal, landscaping, and farming. Standard duty skid steer tires are more economically priced and are used for lighter applications such as landscaping. Our skid steer tire experts are here to help and are only a phone call away. Ken Jones Tires makes buying skid steer tires online easy. Skid loader operators in Springfield and across the state of Massachusetts can visit us 24/7 at www.kenjones.com or give us a call at 1-877-844-2010 or give us a call at 1-877-844-2010. We will help you find the right tire for your application and your budget.